Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve layouts on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve layouts on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will enter to Facebook and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.